There's something about riding through Western Canada's rugged wilderness that is both humbling and invigorating at the same time. I'm Megan, motorcycle enthusiast and traveler, and I recently took my Honda CB500X on a solo adventure from my hometown in Vancouver around southwestern BC to explore some of the finest riding and most beautiful natural landscapes in the world, right here in my own backyard. I'm in Squamish, British Columbia, Canada. I'm going to be touring, I don't really know exactly where. I've got a few days and I'm just going to kind of see how the weather is and figure out where to go along the way. My route took me north from Squamish, along the spectacular sea-to-sky Highway 99, through Whistler, Pemberton, and Lillooet, and I continued through the windy canyons along Highway 12 to Lytton. It's like the wild, wild west out here. We've got tumbleweed and desert climate, trains going by. Not a bad place to stop. And I'm gonna carry on. So I just got to this campsite here and it looks like it's full. Online I checked before coming and it showed there were spots available, but I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, it's starting to get late and I don't know where I'm staying tonight. Very frustrating. I hate riding in the dark, especially around here. There's so much wildlife. That's why I don't like riding at night. This campground is also full, so I gotta keep looking. I got this killer spot. Check it out. I was starting to get a bit concerned because it's getting dark and I'm tired. I've been riding all day. Just like that. Good morning. I'm just here enjoying my gourmet meal, my gourmet breakfast. Don't judge me, okay? Oh, it's really beautiful here. But getting here yesterday was a bit of a challenge. Sometimes my total lack of planning bites me in the butt, but I got super lucky and I found this incredible spot I don't know how I managed to get it. I spent the next few days exploring lake country around the northern Okanagan and the Shuswap areas. There's so much great riding around here, and also some noteworthy points of interest, like Dreamcycle Motorcycle Museum, featuring a collection of over 100 unique bikes. I also got the chance to connect with friends in the area, and we enjoyed plenty of riding together, and also one of my other favorite activities, hiking. And the more I explore beautiful British Columbia, the more I fall in love with it. It is truly one of the most breathtaking places in the world, and I am so thankful to call this province my home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride, and I'll see you on the next one.